Fall is in the air, and that means that leaves will be changing quickly. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some information on why leaves change and where you can find the best colors this year in Georgia. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Hallie Harriman, and I'm the A&R Extension Agent over here in Cobb County. Now that autumn is officially here, we will very soon see our favorite trees change color. In the next few slides, I will be talking about what chemicals are responsible for the fall coloration of leaves. Leaves are green in the spring and summer because that's when they're making lots of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is important because it helps plants make energy from sunlight, a process we know as photosynthesis. During spring and summer months, trees produce so much chlorophyll that it drowns out the color from carotenoids, which is another chemical present in leaves. As summer fades into fall, the days start getting shorter and shorter, and there is less sunlight. This is a signal for the leaf to prepare for winter and to stop making chlorophyll. Once this happens, the green color begins to fade, and the reds, oranges, and yellows become visible. Something to note is that extreme weather changes can also have an effect on leaves. For example, a drought or an early frost could make leaves turn brown and fall off of the trees before they've had time to change colors. We actually saw this last year with our prolonged summer and hot, dry fall. Thankfully, this year we can expect some beautiful fall colors. Carotenoids create bright oranges and yellows in our leaves. The carotenoids are present in the leaf all summer long, but they're masked by the green of the chlorophyll. They also break down, like chlorophyll, but at a much slower rate. This allows us to get a brief but beautiful display of color before trees begin to drop their leaves. Fun fact, carotenoids are also present in familiar fruits and veggies. Corn, carrots, and bananas are just a few of the many plants that contain carotenoid. Xanthophyll is what creates vibrant yellows in our deciduous plant species. Xanthophyll is actually a subclass of carotenoids, which is why you often see leaves that are both orange and yellow in coloring. Finally, as chlorophyll recedes and sugars increase, a process called anthocyanin synthesis begins. This contributes to the reds, purples, and even pinks you sometimes see in leaves. Anthocyanins are also found in familiar fruits and veggies, such as cranberries, red apples, cherries, strawberries, peppers, and tomatoes. Now that you know a little bit more about why leaves change colors, I'm sure you want to know which trees are the best to look out for. The trees and vines on this list are known for being some of the first species to change colors in the fall and are oftentimes very showy. Here in our area of Georgia, we have black gum, sassafras, beech, maple, Virginia creeper, sourwood, sumac, yellow poplar, and birch. So when and where can you find the best display of fall leaves in Georgia? Well, according to the Georgia Forestry Commission and the Georgia Department of Natural Resources, very soon. If you're in North Georgia, then October 19th through November 9th is your best bet to get outside to go leaf peeping. The rest of the state can expect their primetime show to be November 2nd through November 16th. If you're hoping to plan a trip in search of fall colors, then I highly recommend keeping track of leaf change through Georgia Forestry Commission or the Department of Natural Resources. They have great recommendations on what state parks, national forests, and other areas of interest to visit. Well, that's all for now. Happy fall and be sure to enjoy this season's leaf change.